what the big litigation that's going to, real estate litigation that's going to ensue, among other types of litigation around this area, is whether or not the contract is enforceable, because you have a long-term lease. And let's say it's not an apartment, but it's a nice home. It's a home, you know, in San Juan Capistrano. It's on 3 acres, and they want to grow. And it's 3 professional surfers who buy the house, and instead of growing grapes, they grow marijuana. Okay, so, but you have a lease, and the lease is $7,000, $10,000 a month, and it's for a year, it's for 2 years, it's for 3 years, and either side gets in a dispute about that lease. As a landlord, your position is you're violating the law. That's one of the avenues you might pursue, because you're violating federal law. On the other hand, you've entered into a lease that needs to specifically address that, because if it doesn't, then it's legal under California law. So now you're in front of a Superior Court judge in California who's being asked to apply California law, and on the other side, you're asking a judge to apply federal law. And you know, whether or not you can break that lease, you can evict them, all of that's an open question. Okay. Because they're engaged in a commercial enterprise growing marijuana, and then you have a whole licensing issue that generates liability as well, because all these cities are going to have their own revenue generating licensing procedures, right, that are all about making money. And they're all going to try to get on that bandwagon.
You have also the issue of modifying the property for that use and things like that as well, and causing damage there.
Well, the property becomes toxic.
Right, right.
What happens is it takes so much electricity and so much water, and there's so much, all manner of chemicals that are necessary to grow, and waste that accrues as a result of that. And then when they leave, and they will leave overnight. I mean, the 3 professional surfers, they will be gone on a Sunday, and Monday you will have the property back.
So you're saying as long as they're not using chemicals and it's all organic, then it's okay then?
Yeah, it's all organic.